what is your current state of trading experience be like, so that in the future we can plan the expectations, the journey, then progress together lah. Right? What is the
Okay.
right thing to give to you? Maybe we just get started with. Can you let me know more about what is the current state of? I mean, what is your trading background? What do you
Okay.
know about trading?
Okay. For myself, I'm an accountant. So I've been working in corporate finance for the last 30 years,
Mm-hmm.
30 years. And in somewhere around, I think 2020, I left the corporate world. So, doing something on my own, trying different things. Then for myself, I actually don't have any experience in trading. So last time, even though I was in corporate finance, however, I didn't go into, trading, especially this type of day trading, scalping, etc. So
Mm-hmm.
when I started to get to know about this trading only when I attended your lesson in, I think, January
Mm-hmm.
in KL lah. So I know all about this robot trading, and I'm quite amazed with this type of trading and also using robot to trade. So for myself, I actually like time freedom, also financial freedom. So I find that this type of trading is actually very suitable for me and also my lifestyle. So for myself, so in terms of that trading experience, so I sign up for your 129 monthly 129 VIP,
Mm-hmm.
right? Then I receive those learning material. So I started to learn to go through those video and then your documentation. And I started to set up the MT4 XC account. And then starting February, I started to do some small tradings. So that's all about my trading experience, starting from February only. And that is the only trading experience I have.
So you started trading on XE in February in live account or demo account?
I think in February, in both demo and live account.
Oh.
Yeah. But the result is not so good. I didn't make money in the live account. Yeah.
Hmm?
Is that a camera?
Any other thing that you have experienced through?
So I actually quite like this type of tradings, and then yeah, look at the chart and then do buy and sell, and then yeah, I quite like it actually. In terms of the experience that I have in the past, I think 1 month. 1 month. I think 1 month. I started to subscribe. I pay for 2 months already, the 129.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I think it's about 1.5, about 2 months.
All right. So husband here have anything want to add on?
Something wrong with the video or what?
No.
But for me, I've done the Bitcoin or crypto trading for the last season.
Oh.
And recently, I also use the Axie account. For me, I started trading on the 2nd of March this month. I put in 1,000, then my profit is $1,680. So around 168%.
Mm.
I do most of it is manual trade, but sometimes I use your robot to help me close. But I do dollar cost averaging. I sometimes I use 0.03 for Bitcoin. But then sometimes when I do dollar cost averaging, I do it manually. I can do it up to 24 times. Then I'll hold it overnight for one night. Then the next day it can recover. I like Bitcoin more because it's more volatility. I don't do any currency trading. I focus only on Bitcoin. So I understand Bitcoin more. And nowadays for Bitcoin, right, even the death cross it goes down. All the big fish, the whale, push the death cross up all the way to make the
Mm-hmm.
death cross become a golden cross. This few days, I can see from the
Correct, correct.
trading. 那个 video
Actually, you guys can just off the background.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay, now can see.
Cannot see me or?
Can,
Okay,
I
can
see.
see you, can see you.
Oh, okay. So, can I know that if not mistaken from Hazwan, you guys are we call it as special case,
Special
correct?
case means what?
Meaning
What
that,
way special?
what is the thing
What?
special is husband and wife want to join together one.
Oh, I have interest from the previous season for Bitcoin. I also do some trading on Binance and all this.
Mm-hmm.
But I never use the CFD lah. But
So what get you? I mean, for wife is want to have that kind of lifestyle in trading and also earn money at the same time. But for husband,
for me, I'm a property agent, and I like to because I study business administration and I specialize in finance. I'm now 57 years old lah. So I also like I have interest in this type of trading lah. And I know of a CFD, but I have not used it. So only in March, after listening to the video and all this, then I start to use. I found it's very good CFD. Because CFD, the account, you will lose up to the amount of money you put inside the account. So your risk is limited by the money you put in. So you won't have margin call and all these like shares and all this.
you will have margin call in CFD also.
Yeah, lah, I know. But you don't have like actually to top up and all this. But
Yeah.
for CFD, like if you don't want to put money, then they just close it, then it's okay. No problem. So for me, I at first I start to trade, I use 0.01, then after that 0.03. Then no matter whether I'm in the wrong direction or the correct direction, if I'm in the wrong direction, I do dollar cost averaging, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't stick to a 10%. Even sometimes I 40%, I dollar cost averaging, I can still make my account profitable. I think that's a wrong concept, but I can still like
I,
hold
I
on
will not say it's wrong if you're applying your
and
account is your stop loss.
yeah.
Yeah.
I like what you say, like that my account, my stop loss. So I put 1,000, now become 2,000 plus. So
The goal is just to flip the account anyway.
yeah, true. So like my wife joined this program, right? Let's say for 3%, for your
Hmm?
let's say for 3% risk level or 5% risk level, right? What is the average return, average profit that the program will give?
Isan, can you go through because I have signed up for this based on the I think one of the session that you have given. And then after that, since I quite like this type of trading, so I signed up for this Accelerator Platinum, right? So in fact, I would like to know more about what is this Accelerator program and what is it really in it for me lah. Yeah.
Okay, understand. So what I would so I mean that is actually the purpose of this Kickstarter call lah, which is
Okay.
also to know more about what you need. Then we will provide you the solutions, relevant
Okay.
solutions, and
Okay.
then we together give it to you in the next 12
Okay.
month journeys. All right.
How long? 4
So
months
12
or 12
months.
or 12 months? Okay.
Okay. So in this whole journey is we will build up the entire trading career for you. Okay. Now a few
Trading
things that I want
career.
to add on.
Sounds
Trading as a career or trading as a business
sounds
for you.
good lah.
Definitely. So meaning that at the end of the 12 months period, you will be having that enough knowledge, resources, or even the tools to trade yourself, generate the profit that you're aiming for. So maybe can I know that what is the target that you have set for yourself in the next 12 months, from where you are right now? what would you like to become in the next 12 months?
Because currently I'm not working now. Of course, then for myself, I would like to have to be able to have some consistent income on the monthly basis lah, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I know that okay, in terms of the profit target, it could be 3 to 10% per month. So I don't know exactly what is the reasonable profit target to have lah. So if I set it, say for example, around 5%, right? 5%, because I understand some of the prop firm, they have this profit target of 5% at least on a monthly basis lah. So if I were to start with 5% per month, I think that would be pretty good for me. Yeah, in terms of
Okay.
target profit lah.
I think your target is not a percentage.
The
You are
percentage,
targeting at a dollar amount.
dollar amount. Okay.
Yep.
Uh,
Like, I mean, 3 to 5%, I can still be like $10 to $100 per month profit per $1,000.
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So
So
it
what is a
depends because
dollar amount that
one thing you mentioned is also the prop firm, right? So prop firm could be something that I want to target at lah. Because by using prop firm, then that is the way, then how I can leverage. Without prop firm, I don't think I can achieve the dollar amount that I want. I mean,
okay,
that can, to have a reasonable amount of monthly income lah. Correct.
understand. So what is the reasonable that you try to achieve in the next 12 months?
Reasonable income.
What you would like to achieve, like I said, dollar amount.
I think around maybe for the start, maybe not at the beginning, but then maybe 6 months onward, it can be around like 5K per month. At least 5K per month.
USD or Sing dollar?
Or USD. By leveraging on the prop firm, like if we are able to, right?
Understand. Okay. So let me think. Okay. So what you are targeting is to achieve about 5,000 and you're expecting that is about 5% target per month. Correction number one, prop firm don't have a profit target.
They don't have a profit target. Okay.
They don't have. So
Okay.
even your profit at 0.1% every month, they're still okay one.
Oh, they are still okay. Okay.
Correct.
So which are the prop firm that we will be using? Or how many prop firm we are able to use, or how many account we are able to have with this prop firm?
Okay, so I answer the first question, which is which problem to use, or we
Okay.
call it as actually the way that we do lah. Now, you have been signed up for VIP, right? I mean, you attend all the courses,
Yeah.
all the process that thing, we call it as conventional trading. Like what I
Oh.
have done just now in the live sessions, that's called conventional trading. Is you read
Means
the
what?
chart, you see the indicator, then you
Okay.
decide buy or don't buy. It's what you do most of the time.
Okay.
But in Accelerator, what we're going to do is unconventional trading.
Okay.
Meaning that,
Accelerator. Okay.
alright, which is in this program. In this program, I will teach you a way that you does not need to read the chart. You close the chart, you can do this unconventional trading, you can still get a profit. Meaning that you are making profit not from trading anymore. You are
Not
making a
from
profit using the loophole in a financial market.
Okay.
Okay, I give a quick example. If let's say like, all right, in CFD account, and CFD account leverage can goes to very, very high, can goes to 1 to 1,000, 2,000, or even the highest right now I can see is 1 to 10,000 leverage.
10,000. Oh, anybody
10,000
using it?
leverage.
You using it? 10,000.
I just got to know there is such an account. All right, I'm
Okay.
interested to give a try very soon.
Okay.
But why I'm interested is that, you see, what is the danger part of leverage? It's like if you buy a property, you buy a share margin, when you lost the money, you have to pay the negative amount, correct?
Yeah.
But in CFD, you don't have to pay any money more.
Don't have.
That means that you can literally go all out, open as big lot size as possible. Let's say they just put $100. You can open a trade as if like you have a $10,000 account. And when you lost, let's say that from 100, you lost to be 1,000.
Okay.
Did you have to pay anything?
No.
You don't have to.
Only my 1,000.
Only your money that you put in that lost out, then
Yeah.
the rest of
Yeah.
thing you can just close it and
Yeah.
don't touch it anymore.
Correct.
And what if that we do a bit of touch up from this strategy is
Okay.
husband and wife.
Mm.
And today you guys don't like each other, fight.
Okay.
Husband make a buy, wife make a sell. Both of you guys whack big lot size. What will happen? One side will be making a profit, one side confirm make a loss, correct?
Okay.
Because of such a big leverage, the loss side is surely in negative. Okay, let's say $100 loss become a negative $200, for example.
Mm-hmm.
On the positive side, because the market is the same, so it will be positive 100 plus 200 more profit.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? So the positive side become $300 profit.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And hence
So
you guys
so
are making
for this case, both account will need to have a prop firm account also, right?
no need.
Or don't need? Okay.
I mean, you still haven't get what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I started the teaching already. So the thing that I'm teaching you just now is, let me share my screen. Oh, this is new thing to me. Can see my drawing?
Okay.
Okay, good. Now, let's say that there's two accounts. Okay, this is a normal brokerage account. We call it as FMT. Okay, full margin trades. So this account will be making a buy trades. This account will be making a sell trades. When you buy, your capital is 100. This capital is also 100.
Okay.
Okay. Later, the market suddenly went down.
Okay.
Went down by your here becomes 0. Here become negative 100. Here to here is $200 difference. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Market is the same. So this side, sell side will be making a profit of
200.
this one will become 200. From
Okay.
100 become 200. Here become 300. The distance is remain on 200. Hence, one account will be in negative, one account will be in positive. This side logic
Okay.
makes sense?
Uh-huh.
You start from
Okay.
here
Okay.
to here. Start
Mm.
from here to here.
Mm.
Make sense?
Okay.
Now, here is the trick. How much that you have put in initially? 100, 100,
So net
200.
200.
200. Okay.
This one, you don't have to pay, right? Here is 300. From
Mm.
200 become $300 profit.
Mm.
Your capital from 200 become $300. Net, you earn about $100 net profit.
Mm-hmm.
Without anything, we talk about technical indicator.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean, can understand or not?
Yes. Meaning one account, we need to have two accounts lah.
Correct.
One do buy and then the other one do the copy the opposite sell lah.
Correct. At the same time.
Full margin, FMT is full margin trade lah.
Correct.
Full means what lah?
Where the
Me?
maximum limit?
Yeah, correct.
Oh.
Back all the way the maximum limit.
No.
Oh,
It's to
okay.
get them to bankrupt, but you have nothing to lose.
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Will they ban you?
Hmm?
Will they ban you?
They ban you lor. Then what they will do?
Uh,
What is the worst thing that goes to you?
don't ban you lah. Don't let you
I mean,
join.
they were only banned on this account, right?
Yeah.
Ban lah, I also don't want already.
Uh,
I just open a new one,
oh.
right? If they want to ban your whole account, so let's say this is Def account, right? Daphne account, the Ethan account. Oh, so sorry, Ethan. I found that you are too high risk. I will ban your account anymore. So did you have brother, sister? Did you have a lot of sibling, right? Is there anything to do with their accounts? No. I mean, legally they are not in Singapore, so there's nothing going to affect them in Singapore, and they
Mm-hmm.
can then by CFD concept is you are not reliable to pay anything back also. So at most they just don't want to do you as a customer, but you can still do a lot more accounts. They can never ban you. They can
Oh,
never stop you.
this one, is there a maximum drawdown? No. This is
No.
our own account.
This is your own money.
Oh, okay.
So meaning that every single time you do this, you make a profit, regardless market up or down. You
Mm-hmm.
only need to wait for one thing. Wait until you lose until very margin call. You wait until margin call, that is the amount you margin call is the amount is your profit.
So can we have two account of our own in this case? This is our own account.
But will be too obvious already.
Huh? Too obvious.
Will be too obvious already. Because
Cannot
okay, so
lah.
what I'm teaching you guys is called unconventional trading. Anything called unconventional, you can think of is we are playing a loophole in the markets.
Mm-hmm.
The loophole in the financial market.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning the broker will definitely don't like this kind of actions lah.
Mm.
But in the market, there's no right or wrong ma. Is I found it earlier and you agree for me to do it anyway, so that's what I do. Did I answer your question just now?
Sort of. But other than this method, would there be other method that we can do the trade or not?
Okay, definitely there's other methods. Okay, but what
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you is that this is the whole concept of accelerator. Is that we're going to use a similar concept that we're going to fight for the market to maximize the return at risk-free, right? We try to do the profit at the risk-free conditions.
Mm-hmm.
The reason is because, okay, so one of the things is that just now your husband had been said, whatever he done, right, is conventional trading, right?
Yeah.
Conventional trading have one thing. The profit is always fluctuating.
Mm-hmm.
You sometimes can get a lot big profit, sometimes can have a lot big drawdown. It's always up and down, up and down. But in unconventional trading is fixed, consistent. We want to get a consistency. I mean, is that what you want for? Definitely right. More consistent kind of returns in your trading.
Mm-hmm.
So by doing this, then definitely you got to make a choice into, we call it as unconventional tradings by capturing the markets. We call it, this is actually not as a loophole, it's actually called it capturing the market imperfectness in the data, imperfectness on the informations. By capture information difference, we get a profit out of it. All right. So this is one of a small part of it, but I can start to see your face is, I don't know,
Why?
confusing.
Not confusing, but I think this is not conventional lah. Like you say, it's unconventional, you know.
All right. So later I'm gonna talk even more unconventional. So I just want to get your 心理准备.
心理准备啊? No, but whatever we do, we must be do it the right way. You get what I mean?
It's the right way. It's the right way. Definitely it's the right way.
So far,
Okay,
how many
so
people you have using this method?
oh,
Huh?
Oh.
Everyone.
everyone is using this method.
Uh-huh.
But this one can work in the long run because
And
but we have not so many people. Then then if they ban one, then
I know already because you guys are Singaporeans.
uh,
But in Malaysia, we have such weird thing is that you can get free IC from government.
Free IC.
Right. It's just
Singapore
that in Malaysia,
Mm.
if you want to get this account,
Mm.
right, just tell like those Malays, they are like no work one, they are unemployed and they don't want to find a work. They will find people like you guys. Hello, Def. I know that you want to do trades, okay, but I don't have money. So you pay me money, I register the account for you, and then the account is all yours. There's nothing to do with me already. So there are people that willing to open an account just for you.
Mm.
And that's why that this thing has been continued for the past. If you've been asking right, Malaysia, those top trader in the market, right, is those are using this method.
Top traders. Top traders.
Top traders in Malaysia.
But Singapore, they have the Data Protection Act.
Correct. So that's why in Singapore it's protected.
Mm.
But in Malaysia it's totally fine.
Mm.
But I'm not telling you guys to do something wrong on it. Alright, what I'm trying to say is that this method of doing, okay, it's like what if they block. To be exact, my account until right now, me and my brother's account have never get blocked since
Never
the
get
last 201 night until now.
So you are working with which prop firm? I mean, how many prop firm we can do using this method?
Okay, so just now is
Not
a
say prop firm,
broker.
I mean the trading firm.
Okay, so you have to split. In the financial market, there are two things. One is called as broker, one is called as
Prop firm.
prop firm.
Oh, okay, okay.
A broker is what you guys have been touching, which is AXI lah. And there are even more and more broker. So just like I mentioned, 1 to the 10,000 is a special case. Most of it is just 1 to the 500. And with my affiliate in AXI, you guys can get 1 to the 1,000. Okay? So this is a broker. On a broker is everything on a live account, correct? And prop firm is another way around. Prop firm is the one that you give them.
They give you the fund.
Broker is you give the fund. Prop firm is they give you the fund on another
Yeah.
side,
Correct.
but they have to go through evaluation, correct?
Okay.
So the evaluation is like phase 1, phase 2, and then in a live account, correct? So it's like this. As an investor, phase 1 I have to evaluate you. Phase 2 I have to evaluate you. But phase 3 in a live account, I will give you a contract that asks, okay, Dave, would you be open for me to copy your trades? Then we definitely will say yes, right? Or else the deal will break. I mean, doesn't make sense for them not to copy our trades. Hence, they will say yes. Then they will have a right to copy your trades at any lot size, any kind of leverage to their accounts. Hence, on the third account, the problem that we choose to have is they were still in the demo stages. Okay, then that link up to the next strategy. We call it as a CAT strategy. A CAT strategy is what we call it as a cross arbitrage trading,
Cross arbitrage.
whereby in the event of live market versus a demo market, the price will have a difference. I give an example. Let's say right now, the left hand side you open an AXI broker, and right hand side you open funded next, which is a profit that we are using. The price for Euro USD is different. Okay, right now it's actually just a small difference. But at a time of market volatile, right, big movement, the price gap will become bigger. And all we need to do is to buy the lower one, sell the higher one at the same time. I repeat, buy from the price that is lower, sell from the one that is higher.
Mm-hmm.
And we know that price is either up or down, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So meaning that, let's say, for example, if you have buy and sell at the same time already, price later goes up. From this price, goes up, sell, you are losing money, right? Buy from this price to this price, you are making money.
Mm-hmm.
When you net out, you are actually in net profit.
Mm-hmm.
When it comes down, right, sell from here to here, you are in profit. Buy from here to here, you are in a loss. Net out, you are still in a profit. Meaning that when you do this action, buy the price at a low, sell the price at a high, at the same time, regardless price up or down, both sides you're already in profit. It's just a matter that the profit goes to which account. For example, if it goes to the brokerage account, then on the opposite side, your funder next, which is your profit account, is losing. Then that actually not a good case because profit loss, we want to leverage on profit ma. Profit
Yeah.
loss, how? You use a profit from broker, put it back to the profit, and then you can restart back at no cost. On another side,
How
if the
quick are we able to restart? I mean, for the profit
instantly,
instantly.
you
They
just
don't
pay
have
it
any
account.
waiting period, etc.
No.
Okay.
And look around on the opposite side is profit is the one that make a lot of profit. XC is the one that keep losing, right? I mean, broker is the one that losing. But doesn't matter, ma. What we want is that profit account, 100K profit account, cover back AXI, then there's much bigger profit. So this one is having a more positive outcome, but this one is net zero also. Means by doing this cat method, right, this is what we call a normal cat. It's just a matter of time when we will get the profit pass on it. Concept, understand?
Get the what? Get what? It's in a matter of time. Get what?
Get the profit to pass.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Because we don't know that later up or down ma.
Okay.
But one thing that we can confirm is sure have one account side will be making a profit. Now, by doing this method, right? First thing have been mentioned, in order for this thing to be happen, it need to have big volatility. Second is a trading cost. The lesser the cost, the better it is. All right. So by doing the gap, cost is lesser, then only we can get a profit in between. Third thing is we need to keep this strategy as secret as possible and keep it unique between Accelerator group only. The reason is, number one, as an investor, they would like to diversify or they want to have focused kind of strategy. Of course, more diversified, correct? So they don't allow people that copy trades on every single one, meaning every single one do the same trades. Or they don't allow same buy and sell everywhere. It make them confusing also. They don't allow same pattern of trading. What they want is a uniqueness in the trading strategy. So once they detect any similarity, they will suspect, then they will ask you. Okay, what they will do is, first, they'll email to you. Hi Dev, can you please explain to me that how you buy and how you sell? When you receive any kind of email like this, right, just take a screenshot, forward to us. We have the template already, just feed it back to them. But at one point, they will still, maybe you answer it, I feel that it's not so good. They would like to have an interview call with you. So on that interview, then you have to be present like what we are doing right now. Lor. So that in that interview call, you just explain, right? So this is my VPS, this is how I buy, this is how I sell. So by that time, you really need to learn a bit of trading knowledge, a conventional trading knowledge to explain to them how you buy and how you sell. But basically, everything here is we are done for on the trades, on the setup, because we're going to use robot, semi-auto, manual, trading mixed together, make you looks like unprofessional, but you are doing a professional kind of trading. So that is some of the things that we have been set up, and of course there are other statistics. Just very important, don't tell Profirm or anyone else that your Profirm account is managed by a third party. Just say that your account is you are the one that trading yourself. If anyone that asking, they just say, okay, so I'm the one that trading, I got my account, and I can prove it to you that I'm trading in the VPS. So VPS is a server that we are going to trade together inside. Or else suddenly in Malaysia, suddenly in Singapore will be weird for the platform also. So we fix IP address everyone into that VPS. So here are a few requirements. Let me go through the
Okay,
ask
you
first.
go through first. I see. Yeah.
Yeah. So I go through the flow exactly how this thing being run. But everything here we are done for you lah. But still need to let you know how this thing is work. How
But
we
for
help
me,
you
actually,
ask.
I want to learn trading also and then to trade myself future lah. Because how long, I don't know how
At the
long
same
we
time.
can use this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
As
can
long as
you go ahead?
okay, so now this is a cat strategy, that the whole flow of it. First thing, we need to have a prop firm. Okay, and this prop firm is a 100k prop firm law. So the fee of 100k prop firm is about 529. Remember, just now the concept is we need to have opposite side, which is the brokerage here. As calculated on the risk is anyway less than 2000, but I just put 2000 rough figures for ease of explanations. Hence, there will be a pair, a prop firm and a brokerage. In a prop firm and brokerage account set up in this way, using cash strategy, either way will make a profit. Let's assume the best case. Prop firm is the one that make a profit, broker is the one that make a loss. We will calculate just nice that here loss all the way and we are left over with just like small margin. But nothing to do with that because here you already passed to live 100k. And what we're going to do this is we will replicate exactly the same process on this side. Over here, we will have another live 100k as well. Okay, another 100k from another profile. And when you have this case, you have live 100k here, profile 1, live 100k 2 on profile 2. You do the same cat strategy again because these two are two different server, price also different. In the end, one side 10% profit, one side 10% loss. Hence, it come out to be 10% profit, 80% profit sharing is $8,000 profit. Is your profit. And you say that this account have been negative 10, so it's like loss. So you have to restart everything again. Restart need money. Where the money come from? It's from here.
Profit.
Okay, so meaning from 8,000 you minus back all these things is about here lah. Now here is an interesting part about this strategy is when you get started of all this setup, it taking at around 5,000 to get started. Okay, at around 5,000 to get started, you have take phase 1. This one we conservatively say about 1 month, and then the live to reach here is also 1 month. So about 3 month time. Okay, 3 month time from 5,000 to start a one whole group of cat. 3 months later, you yield a $5,000 profit. And can you take this 5,000 to start off with another cat? It says yes. So from one group, 3 months later becomes 2. 3 months later becomes 4, 4 becomes 8. And this thing allowing compounding as the time goes. Hence,
So another
the
group, we are using the same two prop firm and also the broker, right? But we
correct,
just open new account with them.
correct.
But we don't have so many names.
Don't need
No
names.
need, no need, no
Own
need, no
account,
need.
we can have a
Same
few
account,
right?
same name.
Okay.
So this
Same
one only one name, right? One name, right?
One name, one name.
Okay.
I mean, you guys should not worry about the name lah.
Oh.
Okay, can.
The thing that FMT that I mentioned just now, one name also enough already. Okay.
Okay.
So expectation on the profit is the opposite side, meaning that let's say this is a broker, right? The target is to first lose as much as possible on your broker, because broker lose, profit win, then we can get 100k. When you get 100K a day, there's a stagnant period because withdrawal takes time, meaning that there's an exact time when you can withdraw. Everyone is different. So only when the time arrives, only you can withdraw. So when you can withdraw, it's a big jump of profit. Okay, that's now 5,000 that withdraw out. Then you buy another group. From one group become two. Then you repeat the same process. Try to lose as much as possible on your broker account. Opposite side, make a profit on the broker, problem side, and make another big profit. So this is the profit cycles. Then you will get from one group become two, two become four, four become eight. And that is a whole thing about normal cat. So far, is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next thing. Now, here we're back. You guys have been in trading. Is there every single hour, every single minute, every single day have an opportunity to trade?
Yeah.
No.
Every day, every single minute.
Every single day you can trade, but is that a very high chance? Every single minute, every high chance, high probability? Of course, I know
No.
already, right?
Uh,
Meaning that every single time, every single minute you enter, confirm win. No, ma.
No.
Only a small timing of time. Certain
okay.
day of the market is like dead one.
Okay.
In the trading simulation, you should know that you cannot enter trade every single candlestick, or else you will lose a
Yeah.
lot of money, right?
Okay.
Hence, we are not maximizing the usage of the money here. How we can maximizing the usage of the money here is that now the money here we will use into another strategy. We call it as a carry trading. Carry trading concept is like this. Okay, let's say in AXI is a normal broker. In leverage trading, there's what we call an interest, right? Interest is like you're paying the fees for that margin or that leverage. And let's understand the concept of leverage first. In Malaysia, the base rate is 3.5. Okay, but in US, the base rate is 5.5. And what most of the Malaysian do is, because the base rate is 3.5 only, they will take the loan from Malaysia at around 3.5%, put the money, convert into USD, put into USD account, fixed deposit at a rate of 5.5%. And when they do this kind of actions, right, what does that mean? They are going to earn the interest difference,
Spread.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
This is called the interest difference, or we call it as carry lah.
Okay.
And now, what is the risk of doing this? They are trading currency, right?
Exchange rate.
They are trading, yeah, you say?
Exchange rate.
Exchange
Different.
rate, correct.
Yeah.
So meaning that they exchange from ringgit to USD and then put the money into USD fixed deposit and earn interest in USD. So they are buy long on USD. Now the risk is, what if that the USD drop
Yeah.
and ringgit appreciate faster than USD?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then only they will be losing money, lor.
Mm-hmm.
But historically, this thing have hardly happened, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because this is a positive net profit. More and more people are just keep doing this again and again and again and again, putting money to USD.
Mm-hmm.
Hence, the currency of ringgit just keep drop, and USD will just keep increasing because people keep buying, and buying. Then can we take the same concept here, meaning that we want to earn this kind of interest rate difference without using our own money, we can still make the money.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's like this. In a brokerage account, if you trade in the right direction, okay, for example, if you buy GBP CHF, okay, if you buy GBP CHF, every day you're going to earn interest. Okay, because the same concept, you're going to buy GBP.
Or the short course, if we keep it, you mean?
Yeah, correct. Something like that, short or call. So you hold it, you're going to earn interest. But on the opposite side, you're going to lose interest.
Okay.
Correct? So the concept is that buy, rough number, $5 per lot per day. your interest is $5 per lot size per day. Okay, so far it's good. Okay,
Oh, okay. You earn
you
$5.
earn I mean, it's your interest ma.
Yeah.
On the sell side, you should be losing. Suppose you should lose more than $5 lah.
Mm.
Correct. Now, in this broker particularly, equity, you can classify yourself as you are living under a Muslim country, meaning that your country does in belief of Muslim as a religion. When you declare this kind of thing, I mean basically Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, all these have a Muslim inside. They categorize all these people as a Muslim region, and as a part of Muslim, you are not you are
Not charged.
Cannot
haram.
charge interest.
Correct. You cannot charge interest.
Mm.
You cannot charge interest. You cannot also earn interest lah.
Mm.
Oh,
Meaning that you buy or sell, all both become zero.
oh, okay.
And then the thing will be, when you buy, you earn $5. When you sell, you are not charged on anything. Correct?
Mm.
But when you do this action, when you buy and sell already, currency fluctuation, let's say market suddenly drop, you lost $500 on the buy side, sell side you make a profit. Trading side, you lost nothing. But on the interest side, every day you still earn that $5, $5, $5, $5. So I leverage this further. Let's say that you put a 10,000, you have a deposit of 10 lots, right? For example, 10 lot times 10 of this is $50 per
Per
day.
day.
Per week is 350, per month is 1,500. In ringgit is 6,009. In Sing dollar is about 2,000 Sing. And what does this mean? This means that you are literally do nothing. All you do is just park the money there. One side buy, one side sell. Just open the trade only. Every day you're earning this $50, $50, $50, $50.
So every day we have to
You
open the trade every day.
put it,
No need.
just put it there.
Just put it there. For how long?
One day earn 50, then see how long you want to put.
Oh, so there's no limit of time how long you can put the money.
Okay, that is by term and conditions. In Singapore and Malaysia is 14 days maximum. You have to
Okay.
off and on it back.
Or
Meaning close the trade, reopen it
close
back.
and open again.
Ah,
So for this currency, GBP, CHF, we will always buy from XC and then equity we sell. Correct.
correct. Correct.
Can I check for the short cost? Is it always like if we buy for GBP, it's always they give us $5? Always. It wouldn't
So
suddenly
it fluctuate.
sometimes it could be the other way.
It's concept interest rate of the country.
Oh, okay.
So how, I mean, when they change the rate, this thing also will change.
Okay.
So it will fluctuate like 4.5, around that kind of range only, just about few basic point.
4.5. Okay. No, what I mean is the short cost. For XC, if we buy, they will always give
Buy
us
ma.
$5. They won't charge us negative $5 for buy.
Won't.
Okay.
So this thing only update on weekly basis. In fact, $5 is too conservative already. Like right now, gold market is giving about $30 per lot per day.
Go.
Gold.
Per lot, how much money we have to use per lot?
Okay, so conservatively, one lot equal to $1,000. On this strategy itself, only on this strategy, one lot equal to $1,000.
So we need to have 1,000 at least in the account if we were to buy one lot of gold. Oh, okay. And what about commission? Do they charge commission?
Only when you first open the trade.
Okay. But the commission is minimum amount. Minimum.
It by industrial standard is $4 to $7 per lot.
Okay.
So meaning that, I mean, in gold case, it's extreme lah. You open 1 day later, you're already in net profit. But in this case, maybe 2 to 3 days only in net profit.
Mm.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And this thing, because it's interest ma, so they will also charge for Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
And that means that you can hold over weekend also.
Mm-hmm.
And because people don't like to hold over weekend, so what they do is they adjust it to Wednesday. Actually, on Wednesday, there's a 3-time interest. On this case, let's say at $5, you hold over from Wednesday to Thursday. There is a $15 per lot per Wednesday to Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
But the interest is $7. Net profit is $11.
Mm-hmm.
So in 1 day, you can make $11. And basically, you can do this action like every single Wednesday to Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like no-brainer strategy lah.
Mm-hmm.
That purpose is to maximize the usage of the capital here.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So, I mean, so far all clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I just want to add in one more bucket because the target that you guys want to set is 5K Sing per month, which is
USD.
basically USD and YK Sing and YK USD per month is actually quite high,
High.
Yeah, lor.
very high,
Very high.
very high.
In the longer term lah, not in long
In the longer term can but in the
Ah,
12-month periods,
12
a
months.
bit challenging.
Okay.
You can lower a bit lah.
We can set 1K USD per month. Some is still achievable as for beginners lah.
Mm-hmm.
We should talk about the next strategy. We call it single cap. Everything that we mentioned here is what we call it as normal cap, like a normal process lah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this thing we are done for you, no worries. But we are the one that, because it's too many things, we are done for you. But there is another side of thought process. Here, normal one, we want to leverage on the profit to get a profit, but takes about 3 months time, a long time, which is we don't want. All right. So we want to shorten the periods by taking a little bit higher risk, but profit I want to get higher also. So what we do is we flip the table around. Instead of profit on this side, we want to profit on the broker account. How does this thing work is that, what if we fail the prop firm and we get the profit here? We will do all this risk management calculation for you. And when we get a profit here, it's at least 2 times of whatever that you have paid here. For example, if the profit account is $100, when you fail this account, your broker day will earn $200 minus back all the costing. You will still have net $100 profit. And how fast that you can fail the account? By the name suggests, single cat means you one trade have to fail it already. We will calculate the strategy, everything, right? Just open the trades, you fail the account. Okay, the account will not be big size, it's about 5K, 8K, 10K kind of small account only. So there will be 2 cases only. Number one, you fail the account, you earn $100. 1 day, you can do it 2 times. London sessions, New York sessions. When the market have big volatility, that is the time that most easy to lose the profit account. Second, you pass the profit account. Well, if you pass, then you get the account lah. Alright, you get extra 10K or about 5K accounts. Still something good, then you can continue with this normal cap. So meaning that regardless up or down, regardless of positive or negative, both sides you still end up in profit.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the thing that you guys, I mean you, that means you will be doing. You will be tricked to fail the profit account and make a profit in the broker. Per trade, your goal is to make $100 profit. So let's say like 1 day, $100 profit. 1 month trading days, about 20 trading days. then it's about $2,000 profits just by using a single cat itself.
Mm-hmm.
And while waiting for this thing to happen, you at least have that 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 from the single cat as for the cash flow.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So right now, I just put it into Word format so that you can have a clear view what will be your projections in the next 12 months, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this
So
is
will you be sharing this file?
we will be sharing this recording.
Okay.
So there are 3 buckets. First, we call it as normal cat, carry, and then single cat. Normal cat is designed to pass profit. This one is designed to fail profit, but profit at AXI broker lor.
Okay.
This one will be done for you. The goal is to 3 months pass 100k, and then get a profit, then profit sharing, whatever it is lah.
3 months past 100K. How quick can we get this 100K?
It will not be fast.
Not be
Okay, I
fast.
can tell you, it will not be fast. It cannot be too fast also.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, logically lah. I mean, you have 100k, and someone said, hey, why your 2 day can reach 8% already? Not enough time to evaluate you as an investor perspective. Because investors are those people that put the money, they want to see, look, right. So that's why the 3 months was just nice enough for them to see.
Mm-hmm.
But here is where you can get faster return, whereby you expecting an average $100 profit per account. And you can do it per day once.
Okay.
All right. So once this thing because it's done for you, right? We will be set up everything. This one is we are still done for you on the setup everything. All you need to do later on the part is just open the trades. Okay, we will tell you all the strategy. You just time now, open the trades.
So I will do it myself.
Correct. You'll do it yourself. On the carry trading side is connecting to here. Will be done for you on the setup. But then the trades, whether that you want to hold how long, is up to your side already lah. This is like extra income, extra cash flow, which is quite stable as well.
This one, the carry trade can go for gold also lah.
Pardon?
The carry trade can do for gold also.
Can. But gold market is more volatile lah. The reason that why I don't go for gold is because it's very volatile. Then your capital have to be bigger to sustain that leverage.
Oh. So then usually what you do for the carry trade?
GBP, CHF. The profit is lesser, but this market is very stable.
Great Britain pound lah. Okay. And Swiss franc.
Swiss franc.
不是 Swiss franc.
Yeah.
GBP and CHF.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. When you say you do it for us, is you will do the setup, right?
This one we will set up
Robot
and trade at the same time. Everything.
and trade. So you need to have access to the account. All this account you need to have access.
This we need to have access of 2 profit account. Okay, my team will tell you what is the latest profit that we are using. If there's any promotions or whatever the other details of it. Then 1 AXI account, then 1 VPS.
For AXI account, I already opened the AXI.
So we just need to have the right capital inside lor.
Oh, okay. So I can let you have an account lah.
Let me have the account. Okay,
One
so when
account.
we use the one account, just one account. When we have that account access, right, you don't touch it. Meaning that your own practice, whatever it is, account, independence with whatever the thing we've done in normal cat.
Okay, but for AXI account, we can have, I understand we can have more than one account, but the password, everything is the same.
Can change.
Different account can have different password.
Yes.
Okay. Mm.
You continue.
Okay, so basically, I don't want to confuse you guys too much already. I think that is just good enough. We can get started with 3 things first.
These three.
So
Alright.
we do it simultaneously.
Do it simultaneously. We will be focusing on this side. Alright. After my team is set up, you can let my team know that you are interested in single cat as well. We will also sell this thing for you. Then, on hopefully on next week, you can start practice on demo first. How to play everything. All good already. The week after that, you can start to do this already. You do this, and we do this. Alright. At the right time, we will bring forward to do this as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Then
just 3.
we need to put in additional money or what?
Here. Okay, so of course, over here, because you know right, just now the concept of prop firm and XC, 2 prop firm. Okay, I don't know the exact price at the market, but averagely at 100k of 2 prop firm is at around 1000. 1 XC to pair with this is anyway 3000 to 4000 range. Okay, so I just mark up to be 4000
USD, ah.
USD. Right? So this is on this side. On another side, if this is done for you, I mean this. Okay, so this one will have 1 prop and 1 AXI. So depend on this prop side, I assume that you take the lowest 5k one. The cost is anyway less than 100. Okay, confirm less than 100 lah, right? Just about 70 to 80 only. All right, and this AXI is less than 1000 as well, but this side is about 700 to 800. Depends on these capitals,
Okay.
so they can allow him to do the trades.
Okay. So this money are the fund that we will put into the account, lah. Live account.
Right? Correct.
Okay.
So altogether, we need to put how much?
Okay, all together,
5,000,
the exact
6,000.
number my team will tell you lah. So, but a rough, here is 5,000. Here is, I just put. Later my team scold me why I put the number so low. Can I put 1,005?
Oh. So that is on top of what we paid for the platinum.
Mm.
Yes.
So what is your success rate so far for your this accelerator account?
Success rate in terms of
Like people put in
getting
money
profit.
and then how successful they are. In terms of earning more than what we pay for the service fee lah.
Okay, to earn more than what you guys pay for, I can be upfront to tell you that for normal cat, this one is a bit slow. All right, the
First
process,
one.
yeah, the first one, it's been taking more than 3 months to actually pass 200k. Most people have their one side of the account, but don't have another side of the account. So it's like a hanging day lah. And it's more like a collaboration between me to the students. It's, hey, we need the new account, we need the password. Then the student wait for 2 to 3 weeks later only reply to us.
Password ah.
So that is a thing that's dragged the whole process than our expectations. So, but people over here, 50 have been coming in. Right now has more than 10 of them has been getting the profit, 3,000 to 5,000 kind of range. I mean from the some people no don't go for 100K lah. They go for 10K, then slowly grew up to 50K. That one take a lot of time. But they still can still accumulatively earn about 3,500 just now in normal cap. But the one at 100K just whack all the way, then already got out 5K, 5K, 5K kind of profit. On a single cap one, so far I can see that 100% success rate on that part. Meaning that to get the profit is almost 100% because just one trade then get the profit. I mean, carry trading, by logic, you also know that there is nothing that goes wrong unless you click the wrong market lah.
Mm.
Oh, so just click the Great Britain pound and the Swiss franc lah.
Buy and sell at the same time lah. You don't buy today then sell tomorrow, then the
Same
SOP follow exactly, profit is
Oh.
there.
The two account we do it at the same time lah. One buy and one sell lah.
If you guys want to, tonight, go and open demo account, buy and sell. Next week you can see it's profit already.
Oh. Okay. And for the opening of all these prop firm, okay, currently I only have XC account. Only have XC. I don't have the rest. So how long is the process to open the account with the prop firm? And also for the carry, you know,
Carry trade.
yeah,
Fastest 1 day scouting.
1 day. So might have to wait for next Monday lah. Or over the weekend.
I would suggest wait over the Monday lah.
Monday
Friday
lah.
we don't usually open trade also. Over weekend lah.
Okay. I will need guidance from your team, you know, how to, which prop firm or, you know, how many accounts to open.
Definitely we will go through with this flow that what I'm written here.
Okay.
My team will have a more details exactly what to buy, what is the step-by-step process.
Just one question for the trading of the account. Is it okay that, you know, we give the password to someone else to trade for us?
Okay, so there are two passwords. Number one is your login password, right? Which is the Accelerator account you log in to trade, correct? So that one is an account that withdrawal one. But before withdrawal, there is also confirmation, go to your email. So another one is an MT4 password. That one is trading only password. So it's okay to give that trading only password.
I thought the two passwords are the same, not the same.
You can change to make it different.
Okay.
How to change but because we always every time see is every time the same like the MT4 password and the
The client portal.
and the client portal once we log in, right, then you straight away go to add money, withdraw money there.
I mean, for withdraw money, no one able to withdraw because there's still a confirmation emails goes to you. But let's say it's a XI, you want to edit the name, right click, change password.
Oh, this the MT4, we can change the password here.
Yes.
Okay, and it will be different from the client portal lah.
All right.
Oh, okay. Hold on. I just take a picture of this one. From the. Okay, can.
Okay, can.
Seems like you guys are thinking of something.
No. Trying to digest what you say.
Too much.
So many things.
So, like,
So okay, so actually there are more things.
Huh?
What are the things that you need us to do?
Yeah, what do you need?
Okay, so what will happen next? Number one, my team tomorrow will contact you. He called as Adam.
Okay, tomorrow I'm attending full 3 days event actually. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. From 8 to 8 p.m. Maybe they contact me on Monday lah, Monday.
Send you, just drop your WhatsApp lah.
Or WhatsApp also okay lah. Can. They can send me WhatsApp or the instruction how what to do. Okay.
So then you can do it over whenever you're free.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
WhatsApp, okay.
WhatsApp, okay.
Mm.
Mm.
And then you're done, send all the credential, then it's on our job.
So for the opening account, I will be doing it myself or how?
Yeah, you will be opening.
I will be doing the opening lah. So when you say credential means what?
Credential is like trading account login, MT4, MT5 login.
Oh, the account and the password.
Password lah.
Yes,
Okay. Only for the trading account lah. Once I got it lah. Once I open and then I got it lah. Okay.
correct.
Mm.
Mm.
Demo account.
Demo. Okay.
So in this program, you also mentioned like learn and trade at the same time lah. So you know, through the learning process, how do I do the learning? Learning will be like those coaching session that you have. I will attend and then learn the robot also, etc.
Every month, we're going to have one group coaching session. Okay, so just now is cyborg ma.
Like today.
Today is for cyborg. And for Accelerator, there's a separate class. So in Accelerator, there's a separate membership side lor. In this Accelerator, there's a group coaching here. Okay, I will be suggesting to watch January 1 and the latest February group coaching.
January and February. The rest are all the old one lah.
Oh, one.
Okay. January and February. What about the March one? Like today, will we be putting inside here as well?
March haven't done.
I haven't done. Okay. So when you say every month we'll have one session, so it will always be the same kind of session? Like
No.
cyborg trading, trader pro or
Accelerator.
yeah.
Accelerator. Okay, in Accelerator, every month, end of the month, we're gonna have this group coaching. And this group coaching is to updates about the market, update the bots, any special the thing that I want to teach, that I will teach on that period of time. Yeah.
Okay.
And your robot, right? The robot for the accelerator, is it the same as the robot for the sculpting auto exit? 上次不是有他们讲
The robot, yeah.
Oh. Okay, so actually for the robot in Accelerator, Ultimate Closer this you see is a full version.
Full version.
So if you want to, this is actually the full version of the bot
Inside here.
compared to the scalping auto exit.
Oh, full
Yeah, this is
version
the
meaning you have all the bots inside, or it's just one bot?
This bot is the full version. They got other bot as well. It's in here. I mean, just what I'm showing here. Here. Click here to download.
Click here to download MT4. So I tried this one, I click and then you give me MT4 and MT5 download.
It's actually the same kind of logo.
So do I have to download again because I already have the MT4 in my computer?
MT4, MT5 robot program. This is the
Oh.
robot part.
Oh, so I have to download again.
Yeah,
different robot.
yes.
This robot. Oh,
这个
yes.
不一样的 robot. This is the accelerator robot. The one you pay 100 plus one is different one. It's sculpting auto
I
exit.
thought this one is the MT4, you know, the trading platform. This is a robot. Okay.
So your team will update us on what to do lah. So
Right.
does it mean that you run the three program, the carry trade and the
Single cat.
single cat, all the three together?
Okay. Repeat. Done for you on normal cat. Single cat
Single cat.
is you guys open the trades.
Okay.
Carry is also you guys open.
Okay.
Okay. Only normal cat your staff will do.
Yes, correct.
Your recommendation is that we don't trade in that account, but we can view also, right?
You can view
But we
and
don't create any new trade.
don't create. You have any question like why open this, why open that, or you just want to know lah, right? Also can ask. On
Oh.
strategy wise, you can come to me.
Okay.
On if something that you found is wrong, like suppose you be one side buy or one side sell but become two side buy already or two side sell, something wrong. Then execution wise you can let my team, Adam know.
Okay. Adam. Who is that? Adam.
Adam, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So okay, regarding this coaching session, how frequent we will have this type of like coaching session?
One-on-one?
Yeah.
This is a one-on-one. Okay, so this kind of one-on-one session is by appointment.
Okay.
So anytime, let's say that you halfway use a robot or halfway you use single cat, you want to scale already, right? You want to be more profit than what I've been explained just now. Let me know.
Scale.
And do something more than what you're doing right now lah.
To gain more profit, you mean?
Yeah.
Open
Because I
another.
don't want to throw too much thing at once to you because later you are burning. You are headache lah.
Like MLM like that, one become two become four lah.
Yeah lah.
It takes time lah. It takes time.
MLM like that.
So once we are like okay with this group, then okay, we are okay to duplicate, then we do it lah.
Duplicate lah.
Something like that. Okay, okay.
But one person can do so many, meh? Like so many account, how to handle?
The highest record right now is 15 account per single prop firm.
Wow.
It uses an Excel sheet to track. And he do this on 3 different prop firms, like 15, 15, 15.
15. So the person do it themselves or like the normal cat
We can only do 2 to 3 for him already. The rest he had to handle by himself.
So he do it by himself.
Yeah.
Oh.
But he is doing it full time lah.
We are full time also. I'm full time also. No, I'm not working lah. I can.
We can do full time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But he's pretty, we call it aggressive. He's the one that making about 2,000 per month.
2,000 per account per month.
Per month. $2,000 profit
per
prop firm per month.
Per prop firm, so he has 15.
So like that he at least 30,000 per month.
15 account at once. I don't know what he do lah, right? When we say, and I see the Excel sheet, right, it's a lot. So it's like on off, keep changing.
Keep changing. Oh.
So meaning that as simple glance is total net profit is about $6,000 net profit per month.
Per month. You do it full time.
Not per account.
And the prop firm that we can open will be this two prop firm account, Funder Next and the FMT and the XC
Funder Next, True Forex Funds.
True Forex.
True Forex, not the FMT. Last time you mentioned one is FMTO or what?
FTMO.
FTMO, no more.
One very expensive.
Huh?
Very expensive.
So we're not using that one already lah.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Unless you,
we use the CFD for XC, right? Is the spread expensive or is it basically the same for other trading firms also?
I can be honest with you guys. On a range of 0 to 10, 0 is like no spread lah. 1 is minimum. He's at 2.
Oh.
XC is
2. 2. The spread is not the minimum yet. But the reason that using XC, there's another channel of profit they can make.
What's that?
XC Select.
XC Select. We also opened that account because in your VIP last time you also asked us to open that account.
We also doing.
And I try to trade also lah, but get kicked out.
You need to find a way to guarantee 100% pass the XC Select.
No, I think one thing to manage is don't hit the maximum drawdown lah. I hit it.
Oh.
I hit
it's
it.
Like
I hit
you
it.
Close your eyes, guarantee going to eat the profit one.
Huh? Oh,
There is a method that you close your eyes, you also guarantee to pass the account one.
guarantee to pass. Pass every month, every
No.
stage.
We can get to the stage. My age score is 84.
You're only at the seat lah, seat.
I'm at the seat but my normal trading is 84 each point lah.
Yeah, very good.
Then my exit is 71. But it's the 10% drawdown that is the difficult part lah.
You should not look into the 10% profit. I mean,
Huh?
10% drawdown. I mean, you watch the video, right? Watch the January and February video.
Okay.
Okay,
Exit
that
select.
is the way to make this happen, one.
Okay.
Make it don't happen lah.
No,
Make-
make it happen, you still make a profit, one.
Make it, we cannot hit the 10% maximum drawdown ma.
There is a way that even when you hit, you will still pass.
Okay.
Oh, is it?
Can. We watch the video lah.
I get kicked out 2 times already.
So after our Zoom meeting, your team will tell us what to do, then we follow the instruction huh?
Tomorrow lah.
Exit
Okay.
select will come later stage a bit.
Okay.
But I can still do it myself. Just play can lah. Oh,
You can still play lah. But single cat, I think you will be play more on there lah.
Okay.
single cat huh? Single cat is the normal live trading account lah.
It's a profit account, but every single time you trade, you make 100.
Oh, okay.
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 And the instruction that you will give, is it in the documentation format or how? Like,
Step by step in a WhatsApp.
or step by step in the WhatsApp, you will give us. Okay, can.
Ah.
So I will just wait for the WhatsApp. So your team, they also work over the
Do
weekend.
they use Telegram?
They only use WhatsApp.
Oh, okay.
Be more work over the weekend.
Mimo work over. Who is Mimo ah?
The one with Umbrella,
Oh.
customer support.
So you have a team of people managing this Mimo lah.
Bimo is one person.
Mimo is someone, is a person.
It's a
Oh.
person.
Oh, I thought it's the name that you give, and then you have a team managing this Mimo account.
You mean it's minion, is it?
So it's a person lah. Mimo is a lady or a guy?
It's a lady, it's a lady.
A lady huh? Okay, Mimo. Okay. Okay. Can.
So basically for us just start the average profit to be profitable, if you do all the three how much? Like generally for your clients.
You want to maximize everything? Meaning
Normal lah, don't say maximum normal lah.
Average.
Average
So you calculate low single cat one day $100 lah. 1 month 2,000 okay? Fine.
20 days okay, trade.
20 days
2,000.
Carry trade, I assume that you are making about $5 per day or $10, $20 per day, right? I mean, 1 month later is still not a big amount, so I can say about $200 only. Okay, assume that you are average. Don't do a lot of things on carry. Don't maximize on the carry.
Okay.
And then on the normal cat, assume that you are highly collaborative with us. We ask, then respond. 3 months period is about 5,000 net profit 5,000 net profit divide back 3 months is about how much?
1,500.
1,500.
1,600, 7.
1,600.
And after 3 months? After 3 months?
No compound assume no compound
After 3
So-
months? After 3 months?
You
No,
don't
you
compound. I mean,
mentioned for the manual cat is like, for 3 months is 5K, right? To get a profit. And what about a 4th month?
same thing. You repeat the whole process.
Repeat the whole process. So every 3 months we get 5K?
Yep.
Or every 3
Correct.
months is 5K?
Correct.
Okay. Not every month.
You do multiple lor.
Or do multiple group
You
lah, you mean?
duplicate it lah.
Oh, okay. More accounts with the prop firms lah.
Correct.
Okay. Can.
Okay, it's
Good lah.
getting.
I think it's very late.
Yeah,
lah. You are
getting late.
very
You
long
need to
hours
rest,
for you.
yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
I understand that you guys have a lot of questions, but I'm okay to ask one. I mean, I'm okay to answer more questions.
Okay.
I mean, I kind of happy with this kind of state. Like you guys ask and I answer.
So far so good lah. So far so good lah. Very good lah. Thank you so much for the information.
Right. I just hope that everything was clear. the expectation was laid out very, very clear before we get started everything, because finance we had to lay out every single details before get started.
Okay,
So that we
so
have a certainty of how the whole process will be run. Then only we have the good collaboration between each other, and it only will turn out to be good result in the long run. Correct?
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
So for the control of password and all this, you all have very good control and management on that, huh? Password.
Correct.
Okay. And what about the VPS subscription? We will need to do the subscription also, right?
Correct.
Okay.
How much is that?
We will buy the premium one from New York City, which is around $20
Per month.
a month.
So I will need to subscribe for that.
Yeah, you will need to subscribe on that. Or actually you have subscribed from VIP day. No? Yes?
No.
No. I
No.
don't know how to subscribe. No, I need instruction on how to subscribe.
Then subscribe for the premium one will be better.
Oh, okay. Then your team, your who will send me the information? Mimo.
Also same thing, Adam.
Adam. So yeah.
Adam is a technical guy.
Oh, okay. Then we will need the instruction of which one and then how to subscribe to the VPS. Yeah.
Yes.
You send us a PDF, right? The instruction and all this.
What's that?
Step by step.
What's that PDF?
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can.
And I mean, anything to answer can just keep maintain the communications.
Okay.
Adam.
Ah.
Okay.
Can.
Can.
Okay lah, can. I
Can.
think, yeah, very good. Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, okay.
Looking forward.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, so we talk again. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.